Modern-day cooking techniques have grown increasingly innovative, and there is an endless number of gadgets that make practically anyone a gourmet chef with the push of a button. If you're looking for amazing gadgets to save some countertop space, there is no shortage of options to consider. So in this video, we are going to discuss top 10 amazing kitchen gadgets. Let's start. Number 1. Air Hood. Cooking on the stove without a properly working hood or fan can get messy, and that's an understatement. Luckily, Air Hood is a startup that's well aware of how bad odors and grease stains can get. Touted as the world's first portable range hood, the unique gadget offers cooking fume extraction, a detachable grease filter, and an activated charcoal filter to provide your kitchen with the fresh air it needs after cooking a big meal. Number 2. Balmuda Kettle. Few appliance brands level up to Balmuda when it comes to design, and this gorgeous kettle is a solid showcase as to why. It features an ergonomic handle and gooseneck for the perfect pour every time. And while most other options you'll come across will beep or hiss when the water starts to heat up, the Balmuda Kettle greets you with a gentle light and quiet boil, serving as a more relaxing way to make your morning coffee or tea. Number 3. AEROGARDEN Harvest Indoor Hydroponic Garden. While we think houseplants are a great way to decorate your home, it'll be hard for them to compete with a full-on herb garden. Thanks to AEROGARDEN, the process is made incredibly quick and easy, as it's capable of growing herbs up to 5 times faster than soil thanks to its innovative LED growing system. The kit even comes equipped with over 5 different herb seeds, including Genovese basil, curly parsley, and thyme, all of which will provide your meals with an extra touch of homegrown flavor. Number 4. AARKE Carbonator 3. There's no denying the popularity of sparkling beverages, but whether you prefer San Pellegrino or La Croix, you'll fall in love with this countertop carbonator from AARKE. The chrome appliance boasts a glistening stainless steel chassis that is as durable as it is sleek, making for a kitchen centerpiece as much as it does a functional wonder. Simply fill the included bottle with water, attach it to the machine, then pull the lever and fizz your beverage in a matter of no time. For added flavor, it even comes equipped with a variety of drops, including citrus twist and wild strawberry. Number 5. All-Clad Digital Gourmet Waffle Maker. Whether you prefer pancakes or waffles, there's no arguing the decadence of the latter, especially when made fresh in your own home. With that in mind, All-Clad comes to the rescue with its versatile gourmet waffle maker. It features the capacity to make a quartet of thick, deep-pocketed Belgian waffles and offers over a handful of baking modes tailored to your batter, including chocolate and gluten-free. The stainless steel machine also allows you to select your preferred brownness level, making for the perfect batch every time. Number 6. Philips Premium Digital Smart Sensing Air Fryer. Air frying has been lauded for being a remarkably healthy cooking mode that doesn't skimp on taste, and Philips has managed to make it even better for you. The manufacturer's Smart Sensing Air Fryer makes incredible use of its proprietary fat removal tech that extracts any fat content found in your dishes, be it beef, fish, or chicken, allowing you to enjoy meals that are good for your whole body, taste buds included. Number 7. Vermicular Musui-Kamado. This versatile piece of cast iron is far more than the average pot. Japanese brand Vermicular's signature Musui-Kamado is crafted from a mix of vermicular graphite iron and numerous other metals, ensuring a long-lasting piece of equipment that will lock in flavor for years to come. The unique gadget offers precision temperature control capabilities and serves as a variety of different appliances, including a proofer, rice cooker, or stew pot. It even features an auto rice mode that guarantees perfect, fluffy rice at any point. Number 8. June Oven Premium. All-in-one mini ovens come in handy for a surfeit of reasons. That said, there are as many options to choose from in this field as there are benefits to owning one, but the almighty June oven manages to reign supreme. The Plus configuration of this countertop appliance features 12 separate cooking functions, serving as a dehydrator, slow cooker, proofer, pizza oven, and much more. It is equipped with a pair of convection fans that delivers unrivaled heat distribution and results in a much more energy-efficient cooking method. Plus, thanks to its foolproof touchscreen, There's no need to worry about any greasy buttons and knobs to clean. Number 9. Vitamix Immersion Blender. Vitamix's catalog of blenders sits in a class of its own, so it shouldn't come as a surprise that it makes the market's best immersion blender too. With 5 different speed settings to choose from and a user-friendly LED display, this ergonomic gadget makes blending your favorite soups, sauces, and more as easy as you could have imagined. Number 10. Revolution Smart Toaster. Finding the right toaster can truly determine the outcome of your breakfast. At the end of the day, some people don't mind their toast being burnt to a crisp, while the majority tend to aim for a nice shade of golden brown. Revolution's innovative Instaglow Smart Toaster grants you the opportunity to have your toast, bagels, and English muffin the way you prefer them. Most of all, its touchscreen interface is easy to operate and lets you kick off your morning with the push of a button or screen. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications.